Hey, it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about this fan, and this is not your ordinary fan. This is a light socket fan. So you're telling me, without doing any extra hard wiring, which I just recently did to put a fan in this room, I can just put this into the light socket that's in my ceiling and have a fan and a light? It sounds almost impossible, but that's exactly what this is. This was gifted to me for review, and it comes with a remote control. So I have a couple of recessed lighting here in my house, and you're wondering, like, is it going to work on recessed lighting? It does, because it actually comes with a little extension so that you can actually put it in if it's a recessed light as well. I'm super excited about this. This is 1,000 lumens, 900 rotations per minute, fan and light in one. Can't go wrong with this. I need to put a fan in other parts of my room, and I already have the light there, and I'm like, oh, I gotta take the light down and rewire and put a fan. No, I could put a fan in by just spinning this into a standard light socket. So let's open this up and check this out. So these are pretty simple to install. You just pop these in, boom, boom, boom. It has little notches right here. And there it is. So you have your extender. So we have it all put together, as well as the remote control and a nice little remote control holder that you can mount so you don't lose this. This controls your fan and everything. And of course I can't turn it on right now because it's not plugged into the light. So we're gonna go put this into the light. I'm gonna find the perfect light spot. I hope it in front of my bed, my front door, to kind of like move air in my living room. If not, it's going in my hallway, but either way, this fan is going somewhere in my house. All right, we're just gonna hit the button, and that fan is going. And that's just level 1. That's level 6. I can dim the light. And you hear my husband in the background, he can feel the fan over here. Like, this is pumping out some air for a little fan. We're gonna move this back down to 1. This was gifted free for review, and wow, this fan pumps out some air. I didn't have to do any hard wiring, and it's in, and it's spinning, and it's pumping out air.